Let's take a look at problem 4. Identifying a right triangle. Now, if we're given a triangle that has sides 85, 84, and 13, and we want to find out, is this triangle a right triangle? We're going to use the Pythagorean theorem again, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. How do we set this up? We're going to take leg 13 and square it plus leg 84, square that. That is going to equal 85 squared. So we're going to take those three sides of a triangle and show and try to prove, is this a right triangle? So what's the first step we need to do? So 13 squared, you put that in your calculator, you get 169. Plus, if you put 84 in your calculator, you'll get 84 squared is 7,056. That's going to be equal to 85 squared, which is 7,225. Now we just have to add those numbers together to see if they're equal. Go ahead, put it in your calculator. Tell me what the left side of the equation equals. And you would have found out, put it into your calculator, this side equals 7,225, which matches the side on the right. So we could say, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that this triangle above is a right triangle. So that is how you identify if a triangle is a right triangle. I'd like to point out two theorems to you. Theorem 8.3 and theorem 8.4. 8.3 tells us that if we have a triangle where c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, if that is true, if c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, then the triangle is an obtuse triangle. Theorem 8.4 tells me that if a triangle, in this diagram, and you have c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, then your triangle is acute. These two theorems will help you in the sections coming up. Let's take a look at problem 5. Classifying a triangle. So we're given a triangle. It has sides lengths 6, 11, and 14. We're going to try to figure out, is this an acute triangle, an obtuse triangle, or a right triangle? We're going to use our friend, the Pythagorean theorem, to help us decide what kind of triangle we're given. So, if we take that triangle and input the sides where they belong, we're going to take side 14, which is the biggest side. That is our hypotenuse. We're going to take 14 squared and set it on the other side with side 6 squared plus side 11 squared. So let's put that in our calculator and see what we get. Ready? So you got to get 14 squared is 196. 6 squared is 36. Plus 11 squared is 121. Let's bring down to 196 and let's figure out what is 36 plus 121. That equals 157. Now we have to look at these two numbers. Is 196 bigger than 157? Answer is yes, it is. And how do I show that? I say that 196 is greater than 157. If that is the case, what can I say kind of triangle that this is? It is an obtuse triangle because the hypotenuse is bigger than the two legs put together.